Hey guys, I'm here with the all-new Subaru Outback Wilderness, new for 2022. Please go ahead and push that subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. Hey guys, I'm here with the Subaru Outback Wilderness. I did a video a few weeks ago of this vehicle, but they didn't let us drive it. Well, today I'm driving it and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Let's go. In general, I think this thing looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I mean, the anti-glare thing isn't for everybody's taste, but in general, I like all of the copper details, which are call-outs for touch points. So like the tow hooks, the mounting racks, all that kind of stuff. So it's not just decorative, it's actually telling you something, which is perfect for Subaru. So the Outback Wilderness has bigger wheels, a higher suspension, and different tuning than the regular Outback. So how does that affect its drive? To be honest with you, barely at all. You might notice a little bit rougher. The tires are a little bit noisier, but honestly, you're barely gonna notice a difference, except you're not gonna get stuck in snow and gravel. Hooray! While I've done my share of off-roading, I'm certainly no expert, but the Outback Wilderness makes it kind of idiot-proof with this X mode. Let me show you what I mean. One of the things I can really appreciate in the Outback Wilderness is all of these surfaces that are covered in washable or waterproof material. As someone who takes her dog paddleboarding, this is the kind of stuff I can appreciate. And if you do fun stuff in your Outback, you're gonna like this too. So pricing on the Wilderness Outback is pretty competitive. They're at $36,995, which honestly, if you add up all the stuff you get, look at the list. It's a pretty good deal. You'd probably spend more in that in aftermarket parts, and you'd lose your warranty, so that's a bummer. I'm pretty into this, and I think it looks good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.